A bulldozer can never hear these grand slam offers because they're too busy pushing a product no matter what the real needs of the customers are. It's every entrepreneur's goal, mine included, to sell more by doing less salesy things. And it takes a mind shift from the old way of sales to really the new way. And that takes a game plan. In the new way of sales, you're not going to be making someone feel uncomfortable in order to make your money, which feels awful for both sides. In the new way of sales, you start off with a relationship that can grow rather than something where you're acting like the bulldozer, sparking buyer's remorse quickly thereafter. That's where loss of customers comes from. That's where returns and refunds come from. In the new way of sales, you get to sleep well at night, knowing that you're not some creepy old salesman and you get to live your best life and they get to live theirs as well. And people don't buy using logic. People buy because they're emotionally moved. And the good news, as the salesperson, you are the driver of the emotional experience. So let me give you some examples of how you can step into that new way of sales, and you're going to love this. John, who we work with, increased his sales by using these same tactics by over 25% over the last few quarters and decreased his stress and his workload. And guess what? Now his customers that have worked with him feel loyal to him because of the way that they were brought on board and the relationship that was built. And they love John and they love working with him. And now his customer retention has increased and the lifetime value of his customers as well. And that's priceless. And there's a few ways you want to really focus on that. Number one, the secret to sales is make an offer so good they would feel stupid saying no. Number two, you want to list all the potential objections, problems customers might have and address them just directly. And most importantly, people pay for three things: certainty, speed, and ease. Now, great salespeople are superior at asking the right questions, and they're even better at listening for what is actually truly needed by their customers. And we call this the consultative approach. The mindset is that you're not there to sell them certain things. You're there to actually serve them and their needs with any of the resources that you may have for them. So you're never actually pushing, you're actually listening for that grand slam offer. And guess what? They tell you what you're gonna need for that grand slam offer, and what that is, you just have to actually be actively listening. A bulldozer can never hear these grand slam offers because they're too busy pushing a product no matter what the real needs of the customers are. So many times a customer will come to you and tell you what they need, and you're listening, and it might just turn out that they actually give you $1 million idea for a service or a product that you can actually provide. Some of our best programs at Wealth Factory have been inspired by 200,000 plus community members and people that we work with, which I highly recommend you engage with. We got some wonderful things there. But we also have a free gift called the $1 Million Idea Guide, which is going to help you sell more by doing less salesy things and actually help you serve your customers in a way that's going to inspire real loyalty. So click the link below, get your $1 Million Idea Guide, and enjoy the new way of sales. It's better for you, it's better for them, and it's better for everyone's financial future. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Don't miss out on a single Wealth Factory tip like this next one with proven ways to build your wealth.